We have found a little kitty here. Come. Come, little kitty. Come. Little kitty is scared. Alright guys, I've seen there's an adventure park here. I'm really scared of all these adventure things when there's height involved. But I also want to challenge myself, so let's go have a look and maybe I will do it. It's time to face my fears. This is the way to the adventure park. It looks like we're not the only one. It looks like there are plenty of things up here. I thought that was it, like the panorama and everything like that. But yeah, we're going to the adventure Dajti. I hope it's not too far of a walk here. I was assuming I could walk there, but I have no idea where this road is leading me to. Even getting to the adventure park is already a little adventure. Oh guys, I didn't expect it, but we're actually doing a nice forest walk here to the adventure park. I hope it's here. There's some kind of sign. I can't really see what it is yet. It's very peaceful here. And a lot of shade with trees. So it feels good. Seems like this side road leads us to the adventure park. Dajti Adventure Park. These are the different courses they have. They have like for the kids 5 to 7, then 8+. And then you have only 16+, quick jump and zip line. I'm already getting nervous. Zip line is okay because I just have to hang and cannot do much. But if there's a big height and I need to do something myself, I can like freeze. My body can freeze. Even if my mind says, Martin, do it, the body says no. I finally found the entrance to the Dajti Adventure Park. Hello.
5 levels and zip line, complete 2 hours.
And the price?
1,600.
Quick jump is closed, but we can do the zip line and some other things. It's going to take 2 hours to complete the whole tour. Now we're going here to the changing room. Is first the zip line or zip line in the end?
In the end.
Is in the end.
Each level has a zip line in the end.
Okay, good, perfect. Okay. Ready to go. Okay guys, we're at the starting level here. Oh guys, for me that's already pretty scary. Oh wow, we have a horse running by here. Pretty cool. Let's go around here. Ooh,